What's up guys? If you haven't figured out what it is yet, it is a charger. To be exact, this is the most unusual charger I have ever seen. You know, we have already tested the wireless earbuds from the same brand, Gravastar, and now we have a 65 watts fast charger for laptops, smartphones and other devices. In general, this company specializes in sci-fi devices such as speakers, earbuds, chargers and other accessories. Let's take a closer look at the Gravastar Alpha65 charger, and we will start by unboxing it. Like the charger itself, its packaging looks attractive. Overall, I think it can be a good gift. And there is the image of the charger on the front of the box, and some features such as 65 watts power, made for laptops, tablets, phones and more, PD 3.0 fast charging and safety. On the back we can read more information about the charger. Inside the box we have the charger itself, 2 wings, European and United Kingdom adapters, as well as a user manual. You know the charger is called Alpha65, but it is inspired by Mecha robot. To be honest, I didn't know about this robot until I googled it. Mecha is a giant robot or a machine controlled by people, typically depicted as a humanoid walking vehicles. Although this charger cannot walk, it does look like a robot. I have the charger in a down white color, but it is also available in water-damaged yellow and water-damaged blaze blue colors. It has 2 eyes that light up when you plug it in and 2 legs. By the way, you can use the charger in 3 positions. It can stand or sit. As I said before, the charger has 2 magnetic wings. They have no function, but just look cool. You can rotate them in different directions. By default, the charger comes with US plug, but there are also European and UK adapters in the package. That's very good. Overall, the Gravastar Alpha65 charger can be looked at for a very long time. For example, there is a Mecha sign on the front, Alpha65 and official website on the site, some kind of fans on the back, and much more. By the way, the charger is made very high quality. The legs are difficult to move away, and they do not squeak. In addition, the charger is quite heavy, 165 grams. It looks like a quality product that will last you a long time. Now let's talk about main functions of this device, charging. There is 18 watts USB-A port, 20 watts USB-C port, and a 65 watts USB-C port on the top of the charger. On the official website, we can see the output power of a single port charging, a dual port charging, and a triple port charging. So the Gravastar Alpha65 should support charging for laptop and 2 other devices. Let's check it out. So I plugged my laptop into the charger as well as 2 smartphones. As you can see, they are all charging. By the way, the Gravastar Alpha65 charger has 8 real-time protections, including measures against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. So Gravastar has made something fantastic out of a simple device. I never thought I would be looking at a charger for so long. I think it's a perfect gift for a geek or a sci-fi fan. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!